Cornell Cooperative Extension Marine Program conducts numerous projects and educational initiatives designed to monitor and help improve local water quality conditions. We have experts who analyze groundwater and surface water for various pollutants in order to help municipalities make informed decisions to best manage resources. Our habitat team also plays an important role in water quality. Did you know eelgrass and marsh grass help absorb extra carbon and nitrogen? Shellfish also play a helpful part in improving water quality. The millions of shellfish we raise each year as a part of our Long Island Shellfish Restoration Project will lead to improvements in water quality conditions in our bays. Our educators work hard year-round to help bring this information to schools and community groups, whether it be planting a rain garden with students, giving a lecture about shellfish restoration, or conducting a marine meadows workshop. We are continually seeking ways to connect people to opportunities to learn about and help be a part of the efforts to improve our local water quality that we all rely on.